Top 10 Richest People in India in 2024. Here's a summary of the top 10 richest people in India as of October 1, 2024, according to Forbes Real-Time Billionaires Rankings. 1. Mukesh Ambani, Chairman of Reliance Industries, India's largest conglomerate. 2. Gautam Adani, Chairman of the Adani Group, a diversified conglomerate with interests in ports, power, and more. 3. Savitri Jindal and Family, Chairwoman of the O.P. Jindal Group, a steel and energy conglomerate. 4. Shiv Nadar, founder of HCL Technologies, a leading IT services company. 5. Dilip Sanghvi, founder and managing director of Sun Pharmaceutical Industries, a global pharmaceutical company. 6. Kumar Birla, chairman of the Aditya Birla Group, a diversified conglomerate with interests in cement, textiles, and more. 7. Cyrus Poonawalla, chairman of the Serum Institute of India, the world's largest vaccine manufacturer. 8. Radhakishan Damani, founder of Avenue Supermarts, a leading retail chain in India. 9. Kushal Pal Singh, Chairman Emeritus of DLF, a leading real estate developer in India. 10. Ravi Jaipuria, Chairman of RJ Corp, a conglomerate with interests in beverages, food, and more. Key points to note. The list is based on Forbes Real-Time Billionaires Rankings, which may fluctuate over time.